Step 1. Open the Start menu and type Troubleshoot Settings into the search bar. Then click to open it. In the Troubleshoot Settings, scroll down and select Other Troubleshooters. From there, find and click on Windows Update, and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will scan for any issues with Windows Update and attempt to fix them automatically.
I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Oh. Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures.
Step 2. Open the Start menu, type Services in the search bar, and open it. Scroll down the list until you find the Windows Update service, then double-click to open it. In the Windows Update Properties window, click Stop to halt the service temporarily. Next, set the startup type to Automatic. Go to the Recovery tab. Under First Failure, select Restart the service, and also set Second Failure to restart the service. Click OK to save your changes. Finally, click Start to restart the Windows Update service with the new settings. Step 3. Click on the link provided in the video description, where you'll find a list of commands. Copy all of these commands and open Notepad. Then paste the commands into it. Go to File and select Save As. In the Save As Type drop-down, choose All Files. For the file name, make sure to add .bat at the end. For example, update_fix.bat. This step is crucial for the file to work correctly. Once you've saved the file, locate it, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. The script will start running and may ask for confirmation a few times. Just type Y when prompted to confirm. After it finishes running, you can proceed to the next step. Step 4. Open the Start menu, type CMD, and right-click Command Prompt, then select Run as Administrator. Next, enter the two commands listed in the video description. These commands may take a little time to complete, so be patient while they run.
in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I.
If it still doesn't work, try the last step. Step 5. First, open the link provided in the video description and locate the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section. Click Download and, once it's downloaded, open the Media Creation tool. After launching it, press Accept when prompted. Choose your preferred language. Then click Next. Select ISO file as your installation media type and click Next again. Pick a download folder, name the file Windows 11 and press Save. Now wait for the program to download the latest Windows 11 update. When the download is complete, click Finish. Next, locate the downloaded Windows 11 ISO file and double-click it. This will open the setup process. Follow the prompts by clicking Next, then Accept. When asked, choose to keep your personal files and programs.
Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Finally, press Install and wait while Windows 11 installs the latest update. Hopefully, these steps helped you fix the issue with the Windows Update error. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tip. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.